Bobby fucking Stoker's Dip in here for another dip review. I'm Bailey.
I'm Jerry.
Today, we're going to be reviewing Redseal Mint. Alright, you had this stuff yet?
I have not.
If not, this is my first can of it. I've had a few dips of it. I'm not going to spoil what I think of it. But you want to take a whiff of this?
Yeah, let's take a whiff of it. As I've said before, I'm not much of a mint dipper, but kind of.
I like the smell
I
of
do
it.
too. I like that smell more than we did the Skull
It has
Spearmint.
a sweeter mint flavor to me. How you think the cut's looking? It looks weird to me. It looks very short cut, but it also looks super sticky.
Yeah. You can. I just dipped my finger in it. That's all I did.
It's an odd cut.
It does look a little small.
It says long cut on the can, but show you a little bit of the color. It's pretty dark. I mean, it looks average. All right, you ready to pack a lip?
Yeah.
Pack a little chomp. This doesn't look like it's working for you. How'd that pack for you?
Horrible.
I know. I can say the exact. It just fucking goes to shit.
Oh, that pack was packability.
Not good.
Not good.
Packability is not pretty. It's all over my fingers now. Tiny little pieces. Oh. But how you feel about the flavor?
That is a strong mint flavor on it, if you ask me.
Really?
That hits me with more mint than some of the few other mint dips I've tried.
I think it's tamer, to be honest. Because you know me, I dip a lot of Grizzly Mint.
Yeah.
I think it's a whole lot tamer than that.
But not bad. Not a bad flavor.
I like the flavor. I think it's more subtle than the other mints that I've tried. It doesn't really punch you. It just gives you some mint. You won't have to really put a breath mint in after.
I just want to throw out there that the packability for this, we have a lot of trouble packing it, but for someone who's accustomed to maybe a fine cut like Coke Snuff or something like that,
Yeah, I shouldn't have an issue.
shouldn't have a problem.
How do you feel about the texture? That was disgusting.
It's settling in my lip pretty well. But the Redseal Wintergreen we tried, that also settled well.
I think this settles better than the Redseal Wintergreen to me. You getting a burn?
You would think being mint I might, but
But do you?
no, I don't.
You do not?
I don't.
I get the slightest burn.
But
Not very much, but I get some.
also, we've said it a million times, compared to my daily dip of Stokers, this is a lot less rough. It lays a lot softer, so it's not as abrasive on the lip,
Yeah.
which might be a factor as to why it doesn't burn so much.
Yeah, I can still get gator lip off of this, though, if I dip the entire day. How you getting a lot of spit?
I am. I'm getting surprising amount of spit, actually. I
As
didn't
am
expect
I.
this from Redseal.
No, this is a very, very moist dip. I'm getting a whole lot of moisture out of it. Doesn't seem like it's gonna go dry, but
No, so what do you gotta say for lastability? What do you think about lastability?
well, I've had a few dips of this, and I don't remember the lastability being very good, actually.
Yeah?
I think it was pretty mediocre.
For being this juicy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is your spit dark?
Light brown, I think. Not a very dark spit.
I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, it's more of a light brown. I'm not gonna compare if you normally dip Stoker straight, but
Or even it actually it's pretty light. I think even the spit off of Copenhagen Natural was darker.
I could see that. Nicotine. You feeling nicotine? No, you're not feeling any nicotine off of this Redseal?
No.
I feel like value is always something I've got to mention whenever we get Redseal. Because it always comes with that 25% more tobacco. I can't tell if you guys can see that.
Yeah, so I mean, if
the size of this can is 1.5 ounces and normal cans are 1.2, you're getting 25% more tobacco.
So as far as value is concerned, it is a good deal. Because it costs about
$2.39, I think it was.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, and we live in Pennsylvania. I know guys in other states pay out the ass for dips. Like, there are people that pay $11 for a can. Some people pay like $18 for a can of Skull. Up in Canada, it's even worse. It's like $35 for a can, I've heard. That's not good.
No.
I couldn't do that. But overall, we on overall?
Overall, honestly, I think I prefer this to the Skull Spearmint.
Right.
Yeah, I think if I was to dip if I'm feeling in the mood, it would be a Redseal.
Yeah, I like this better than the Spearmint. I don't know, the Spearmint seemed a little bit drier to me. And this has a nice taste to it. It's more moist.
I'm really enjoying it, and aside from the lastability fact, how you mentioned about it's pretty mediocre, on 7.5.
I'm gonna give it an 8.5. I like this dip. This actually might become one of my everydays. I might switch out Grizzly Mint for this. Not sure though. Alright, I think that's it. Bobby fucking Stokers signing out.
Peace.